So in less than 2 minutes, going to show you how easy it is to sell with Saleslights. First things is to build your profile loadouts. This is your sales play or sales persona. Load your main details, your company details, which has your mission statement, and then your in-depth company product-rich details with case studies you are positioning and messaging. Here is a document example of how we sell and load our Saleslights every day. Then you have your message formatting. Choose the professional, conversational, humanistic, or Gen Z run on texting tone. Build your message length to read well in your email on multiple devices. And definitely include your availability and auto calendar scheduling link. And then you just upload your leads via CSV. Then you go to your linked Chrome extension, and you can easily scrape all the LinkedIn activity in bulk in a browser in the background and save in your web app. All of your LinkedIn leads activity data has been scraped into the web app. If you want to go into each single lead and select a LinkedIn activity to generate a sales message on, you can use our powerful bulk sales messages generation feature of the LinkedIn lead activity, and that's it, done. 50 highly targeted sales messages in 2 minutes.